Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. I'm sorry, I know I said I would post this yesterday, but I forgot how busy Tuesdays can be for me. So we're going to be opening up the 2 limited edition glossy boxes that are available right now. There is the Bumble and Bumble kit and then the Grooming box. I have codes for both too. And for those that are disappointed it's not Witchy Wednesday or Wheel Wednesday, don't worry. There are some major Black Friday sales going on right now. Cratejoy, I'll link it down below, but like over 200 boxes are 25% off, and a lot of them, not a lot of them, but like a good portion of them are witchy boxes, and I think I have subscribed to like 4 or 5 over the past week or two, not just from Cratejoy, but like on Etsy and other sites as well, so stay tuned. I think these will be some good boxes to show you anyways today, but before we get started, I just want to say hi, welcome back, or welcome if you are new here. My name is Kitty. I love subscription boxes, and I open them here often on our channel, so if you love them too, I would absolutely love it if you subscribed. It means so much to me. And happy Thanksgiving, everyone. I just want to take a moment again and say I'm so grateful for you. I know I say it at the end of every video, but I want to say it in the beginning too because I am. But let's get started. So Glossybox is a beauty box. I actually opened it just the other day. Their monthly subscription. So these are limited edition boxes we're opening today. So it's one-time purchase, and you can get them as gifts if you want maybe, but Bumble and Bumble is a hair care company, and this is heavy. I'm excited to see what's inside. So normally this costs $30, but I'll leave a link down below and a code. I think the link will just automatically apply the code in your cart, but you get $5 off, and if you want to subscribe to Glossybox or not already, then you get $5 off your subscription plan as well. I love the purple. Let's see what's inside. My hair needs some love. Oh, it smells good. So I love how it matches. So in here it'll talk about everything inside, and you're supposed to get at least $100 in value in here. Ooh. Everything literally matches, and I'm living for it. I love that. First thing. Oh, it looks like something leaked though. This is their, it's pink too, or maybe that came from these little swigglies. Their BB Curl 3-in-1 conditioner, rinse in, leave in, or co-wash. I love the purple. Now, I don't have curly hair, but I would love to. So this is for curly haired people that want some moisture in their hair. I guess we'll keep the curl there as well. And then we have the BB Curl Reactivator for revived, regenerized, re-moisturized curls. That's probably why it smells so good. Just a little bit of something leaked. It's not all over. I think it's like conditioner because it's not like super wet. And then we have the BB Curl Defining Cream for moisturized, flexible curls with movement. So this is definitely seeming like it's for like wavy, curly haired people. Who I am envious of. I guess we all want what we don't have, don't we? This could come in handy here in Florida. BB Curl, I keep saying that. It's like the whole BB Curl line by Bumble and Bumble. The Anti-Humidity Gel Oil for nourished, elongated curls with frizz control. So maybe I can use this when I do my hair or after I have it in a braid. Sorry, is it not focusing? Lately, things that are white are not focusing well at this lens, but... And then, what else do we have left? One thing, did I do the defining cream yet? We have the shampoo. Did I show you the shampoo? This is the messiest. Yeah. So we have a shampoo, a conditioner, a defining cream, the anti-humidity gel oil, and the reactivator. So pretty much an entire hair care set. So if you're a curly hair girl that smells really good, or boy, whatever you define yourself as, I don't want to exclude anyone, but if this works for your hair type, I think this is a great deal because Bumble and Bumble is kind of expensive. They're not like one of those super, super expensive hair care brands, but $30 or $25 for $100 and more in value. And yeah, it smells good. Now let's move on to the grooming kit. So this is for men. They don't have a men's subscription that I'm aware of, so this is a good idea if you're looking to get a gift for someone, or maybe like your significant other needs to groom a little bit better, and this is a nice way to kind of get them to do so. But this is $35. I also have a $5 off code for this if you're interested, and it's over $150 in value. And look, it's like gray, so it's not like too threatening for those guys who are like anti like skincare and all that stuff. Like, come on, guys. We all need to do it. Doesn't matter what you identify as. So the Grooming limited edition box talks about everything inside again. And I just love how they always wrap it with ribbon. I try and keep it. And everything matches always. Ooh, I can't wait to smell it. There's a fragrance from Men by Viktor and Rolf. Let's start with that. So here's a little sneak peek. This is their infrared, or Spice Bomb infrared. Oh my god, this is gonna smell good, I bet. I love the smell of cologne. Is it weird? I can smell it however I want. Yes, I would want my man if I had one for this. And then we have For All Skin Refresh Post Shave Calming Tonic. Again, sorry, white things don't focus very well in this room apparently. And then we have another item by For All. It's the Hair Love Red Clover Regeneration Elixir. It's a rainbow of hope. I love that. Red clover and CBD extracts work together to help existing hair stay firmly rooted while nurturing a healthy scalp to foster new growth and the appearance of full, thick, healthy hair. I know a lot of guys are self-conscious about that, so that's awesome. I like the aesthetic of this brand. Again, I'm sorry. Is it because my walls are white? And then we've gotten this eye cream. See, anyone could use it, but this is less threatening. It's gray, like, or silver. It's not all like pink and purple. Some of them are more likely to reach for it, maybe. Verso Eye Cream Extra Nourish. And this, I love these. I recommend these for sure. These are Mighty Patch Invisible. So these are what you put over your blemishes, especially if you picked it, which I know we're not supposed to, or it's a whitehead, you can cover it. And for anyone that wears makeup, you can actually put makeup over this, but it's a great way to not get any bacteria in. It helps heal it and less scarring. I love these things. There's a few different types. This is just the invisible one, but they also have one that has salicylic acid in it and one that helps with like post-blemish markings, or what do they call it, like hyperpigmentation. This one doesn't have any actual medication in it. It's just a hydrocolloid patch, and I definitely recommend these, and there's 6 in here, so I'm excited for myself. There's 2 things to go. Regiment, it's in this little bag. Argan treatment. What is it? This is Beard, Brow, and Mustache Roll-On Growth Solution with 4% Anagen. Made with castor oil, biotin, and vitamin C, and it also has 100 milligrams of CBD per container. Can I use this on my brow? Yeah. Why am I even asking that? Things are not meant for just one. I mean, I don't have a beard, but I have brows that I want to grow, so anyone could use this, and I'm going to do that because I want full of brows. And then we have 2 things left, and they're sheet masks. Again, non-threatening. I know no one should be threatened by skincare and stuff like that, but you know what I'm talking about if you guys have a man like this in your life. The Wolf Project Hydrating Face Sheet Mask. This is deep skin hydration, vitamin B3, and tea leaf extracts. I don't know if they even show a guy in the back in the photos. And then the next one is also by Wolf Project, and it's the Mud Mask Detox Face Sheet Mask. Deep pore cleansing and oil control with kaolin clay and vitamin B3, C, and E. Nice. And that was everything. I think they were both really good. I mean, I obviously don't have curly hair, but I think if you do, that's great. Definitely go for that if you're in need of some new hair care products, or you like Bumble and Bumble. I like the products I've tried from them. I haven't tried those ones personally, but everything I have tried I've enjoyed. And the Guy products I like even for myself, and it smells really good. So if you're trying to get your man or someone in your life to, you know, use some eye cream at least and stuff, definitely would be a great gift. But yeah, again, everything will be linked down below along with the promo codes, and I'll link below the Cratejoy sale too if you want to check it out. But anyways, that's it for today, guys. I hope you have an amazing Thanksgiving. I'm so grateful for each and every one of you. Stay safe, stay healthy and happy, and I will see you super soon. Bye.